Hello YouTube. I was checking out this car and looking at what I have to deal with so I can plan future modifications. And I looked under the car and I just found this. Now this is a surprise. The previous owner yanked out the airbags and put in coil springs. Looks like I'll be able to do some things with this suspension. Time to do some research. And here is the other side. As you can see, there's no airbags here. So I'm going to put in some coil springs. That leaves a lot of options for me. I'm going to check out to see if I can put some coilovers on here or some lowering springs. This is good news. So that opens up a lot of possibilities. Coilovers or lowering springs. Time to do some research. And when I make a decision, I'll let you know. But I'm definitely not going to keep it stock height. But I'm not going to slam it either. So I'm going to weigh my options. Until next video, I'll see you.